It started with a bark, but ended in blood. One moment she was laughing with her daughter while walking toward school. The next, she was dragging her from the jaws of an unleashed dog. In the heart of a quiet Chicago neighborhood, a peaceful morning turned into a scene of chaos, sirens, and screams. For many in the city, this isn't just a story, it's a terrifying reality waiting to unfold. The screams echoed down the block. An 11-year-old girl walking toward school in Chicago's Albany Park was suddenly attacked by a large, unleashed Akita. It slammed into her from behind, knocked her to the ground, and bit deep into her head and neck. Her mother rushed in to protect her, only to suffer bite wounds to her own legs. Blood was everywhere. The dog had no leash, no collar, and no warning. What should have been an ordinary walk turned into a nightmare that could have been prevented. Unfortunately, this isn't rare. In 2023 alone, Chicago Animal Care and Control reported more than 1,500 dog bite incidents citywide, and those are just the ones officially documented. Countless other bites go unreported every year, leaving victims injured and confused about what to do next. Behind each number is a person, often a child, dealing with both physical wounds and emotional trauma. Why do dogs bite in the first place? The reasons vary. Some dogs react out of fear, especially if startled or feeling threatened. Others may become aggressive due to illness or pain, unable to express discomfort any other way. A lack of socialization or failure to spay or neuter can also increase aggression. In many cases, dogs give off warning signals such as flattened ears, a tucked tail, fixed stare, or low crouching. But in the chaos of a moment, those signs are often missed. Nationally, over 4.5 million people are bitten by dogs each year, and children between the ages of 5 and 9 face the highest risk. In a busy city like Chicago, where people and pets share sidewalks, yards, and public spaces, that risk becomes even greater. That's why dog bite attorneys in Chicago continue to see rising demand from families suddenly caught in devastating situations, seeking guidance and support. Thankfully, Illinois law is clear and victim-friendly. The state follows a strict liability rule for dog bites. This means that dog owners are legally responsible for injuries their dogs cause, even if the dog has never bitten before and showed no previous signs of aggression. As long as the victim was lawfully present and did not provoke the dog, the owner is accountable. This legal protection makes it easier for victims to pursue a dog bite injury lawsuit without needing to prove negligence. But recognizing the warning signs remains key. A dog about to bite may shift its weight, flatten its ears, or bare its teeth. If you ever feel in danger, don't run. Instead, stay still, avoid direct eye contact, and slowly back away. For those who walk or jog regularly, especially in neighborhoods where leash laws are often ignored, carrying a non-lethal deterrent like a stun gun may provide added safety. Even with precautions, injuries still happen and they can be severe. The most common dog bite injuries include puncture wounds, lacerations, and infections. Punctures can affect deep tissue and even vital organs. Lacerations often require stitches and leave permanent scars. Infections, if left untreated, can become life-threatening. These injuries can lead to mounting medical bills, missed work, and lasting trauma. This is where the support of a skilled dog bite lawyer becomes essential. Filing a dog bite injury lawsuit isn't just about financial compensation, it's about accountability. Victims deserve justice and the means to recover, both physically and emotionally. Experienced dog bite attorneys in Chicago, like the team at Rosenfeld Injury Lawyers, understand the legal process, know how to build strong cases, and are committed to standing by victims every step of the way. The impact of a dog bite doesn't end when the bleeding stops. It can leave lasting emotional scars, especially for children. And as Chicago continues to see a high number of dog attacks, legal action remains one of the strongest tools we have to prevent future incidents. If you or a loved one has been injured by a dog, take the first step toward recovery. Contact Rosenfeld Injury Lawyers today for a free and confidential consultation. You don't have to face this alone. You deserve someone who will fight for your healing and your rights.